Okay children, now let's do very interesting maths activity on addition of 3-digit numbers with carryover. Now as you can see, there are two houses over here and it says odd sum and this says even sum. So this house is of odd sum and this house is of even sum. Now we have done odd numbers and even numbers. So what are odd numbers? The numbers which end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers, and the numbers which end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. Now there are few members of both the houses as you can see, but they all are mixed up. They don't know where to go. They are not aware where they have to go, whether to this odd sum house or even sum house. So what we are going to do is we are going to solve these questions, and if the sum, that is the answer to the question, is even, then that member will be going to this house, and if the answer to the question or the sum is odd, then that member will be going to this house. So the game is to sort out these questions according to the odd sum and even sum. So are you ready? Now you need not to do this activity at home. You can enjoy the activity with me right now here in the class. Okay, now so this is the first question card. Let's solve it and find out whether it belongs to odd sum or even sum. Okay, now we have 265 plus 467. Now we always start adding with ones place first. Now 5 in mind and 7 on fingers. 5 plus 7 is, quickly tell me, forward counting. Yes, it is 12. Now the number is more than 9. So 1 we are going to carry here, and let's write 2 over here. Okay. Now first we always add the carryover in tens place. So 1 plus 6 is 7. Now 7 in mind and 6 on fingers. What do you get? 7 plus 6? Yes, it is 13. Again we write 3 here and 1 is carry forward. Now again 1 plus 2 is 3. Now 3 in mind and 4 on fingers. What do you get? 3 plus 4 is 7. Very good. So the answer is 732. Now tell me, now this number, the sum is odd or even? You just have to look at the last digit in ones place. It is 2. So it belongs to even house, even sum. So let's put it here. Very good. Okay. Now it has got its place. Now let's see the second question. 386 plus 145. Now children, as you're watching and listening the video, please try to solve the question with me side by side. It will help you a lot. Okay. Now again, starting from ones place, 6 in mind, 5 on fingers. 6 plus 5 is 11. So 1 carry forward and 1 here. Now tens place, first let's add the carryover. 1 plus 8 is 9. Now 9 in mind and 4 on fingers. What do you get? 9 plus 4, quickly tell me. 9 plus 4 is 13. Again 1 carry forward and 3 here. Now in hundreds place, first let's add the carryover. 1 plus 3 is 4. Now 4 in mind, 1 on finger, you get 5. So the answer is, all of you read with me, 531. Now you just have to look at the digit in ones place. It is 1. So clearly it belongs to odd sum house. So let it go inside this house, odd sum house. Okay. Now let's do the next question. This is 137 and 247. Now 7 plus 7. We are starting the addition in ones place first. Now 7 in mind, 7 on fingers. Yes, quickly tell me the answer. It is 14. That is more than 9. So 1 carry forward here and 4 we write down here. Now 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 in mind, 4 on fingers. What do you get? 8. Now you just make a note that the number is less than 10. So you need not to carry anything at hundreds place. So simply 1 plus 2 is 3. This is 384. Now just look at the last digit of this number. It is 4. So it will belong to odd or even? Yes, clearly it belongs to even sum house. Okay, now next question. 159 plus 666. Now starting from ones place, 9 in mind, 6 on fingers. Quickly add. 9 plus 6 is? Yes, it is 15. So 1 here and 5 here. Now first let's add the carryover. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now 6 in mind, 6 on fingers. Forward counting, what do you get? Very good, 12. So 1 carry forward and 2 we write here. Now 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 in mind, 6 on fingers. 2 plus 6 is, it is 8. So the sum is 825. Clearly looking at this ones place, this number is odd or even? Yes, it is odd. So it will go to odd sum house. Now next is 608 plus 298. Now ones place, 8 plus 8 is? 8 in mind, 8 on fingers, it is 16. So let's write here. Here we get 16. Now 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 9 is 10. You know, when we add 1 to any number, we get its successor. And the successor of 9 is 10. So 1 we write here, 0 here. Now 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 in mind, 2 on finger. Forward counting, what do you get? 7, 8 and 9. So we have 906. Now clearly this, when we look at ones place, 6 is even. So it will go into even house. Very good. Now let's do the last one. 304 plus 299. Now 4 in mind, 9 on fingers. Quickly calculate. 4 plus 9 will give you? Yes, it will give you 13. So let's write. Now 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 9 is 10. So let's write here. Now 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 4 in mind, 2 on fingers. What do you get? 6. So we have 603. Now by looking at the last digit 3, it belongs to odd or even? Yes, it belongs to odd. Now the respective members of the house have gone to their respective houses. Odd sums have gone to odd sum house and even sums have gone to even sum house. So I hope that you enjoyed this activity and it helped you in practicing your addition more and more. Now you are accurate in adding the numbers, and never forget to add the carryover first, and if there is no carryover, do not add 1 please. So I hope you enjoyed this activity. Now we are ready with our notebook work. So all of you open your maths notebook, sharpen your pencils, open double page and get ready with your work.